Your hard drive is groaning. You see that red storage bar creeping up. Again, low disk space. You click ignore, but your machine is already crawling. Every compile, every export, every app launch, stuttering. If you build code, design, or create, it's 10 times worse. Forgotten node modules, 40 gigabyte Docker caches, ghost virtual machine images sitting in dark subfolders. And what does your operating system do? Shows you a pretty pink bar labeled Other, and leaves you completely in the dark. Thanks for nothing. So what's the alternative? Paying $40 a year for proprietary software like CleanMyMac X, handing root access to a closed-source black box. Seriously, it's time to stop paying rent just to clean your own house. You need control back. Meet MangoDisk, a free, open-source, safety-first disk cleaner and analyzer built for power users who demand transparency. Why trust an app touching your system files unless you can inspect its soul? MangoDisk is 100% open source, zero secret telemetry, zero subscription fees. Under the hood, it's not another lazy web wrapper. It's engineered from scratch using Rust and Tor. Think about it. One wrong pointer in a disk cleaner could wipe your OS. Rust's compile-time memory safety acts like a bulletproof vest against accidental data corruption. And Tor, it uses native system web views. No bundled Chromium eating 2 gigabytes of RAM just to show you a UI. Snappy, tiny binary size, instant launch. Hit scan, and Rust's multi-threaded concurrency engine traverses millions of files across multi-terabyte drives in seconds. It literally flies. Boom, instantly a treemap populates. Hierarchical nested rectangles scaled by size. That 50 gigabyte forgotten render file, you spot it in half a second. Now for the real magic, duplicate detection. Most tools choke by reading every byte. MangoDisk is smarter. First, it filters by size. Then, it checks partial hashes of the head and tail bytes. Only true candidates get a full SHA-256 hash. Fast, bulletproof accuracy. Dragging an app to the trash leaves behind preference files, caches, and orphaned state. MangoDisk's uninstaller tracks down those hidden remnants and purges them completely. Tired of 15 background agents slowing down your boot time? The built-in startup manager lets you execute unwanted background processes with one click. Take Sarah, a full-stack dev whose 512 GB Mac was sitting at 95% capacity. npm install was hanging. Docker builds were crashing. In under an hour, MangoDisk helped her clear Docker caches, purge redundant zip archives, and wipe legacy VM images. 150 gigabytes restored. System feels brand new. And notice this, it never auto-deletes behind your back. You get explicit, clear confirmations before a single byte leaves your machine. Is it a Windows registry repair suite? No. Will initial scans on spinning HDDs take a minute? Sure, disk I/O has physics limits, but for file bloat, nothing touches it. It's part of a growing wave of open tools on fossee.dev. Alongside utilities like Uninstally for Mac OS app removal and purge app. Stop letting closed software hold your storage hostage. Stop ignoring the bloat degradation. MangoDisk gives you back speed, transparency, and absolute peace of mind. Ready to reclaim your digital frontier? Download it free at MangoDisk.app or check out the code at fossee.dev/Harry0703/MangoDisk. Your drive will thank you.